Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for today's nailer look, I decided to do some super quick and easy Easter nails with some nail foil, some freehand, and a little stamping image on my middle finger. So I used a bunch of different colors today, so I'll kind of put links in the description so I don't have to show you all of them because it's kind of a multicolor look. But I did 5 different colors, 3 coats of each, as you can see here. And then once they were cured, I applied some silver foil into all of my nails except for my ring finger, just into the tacky layer of the gel polish. And then I took some white on my ring finger to freehand the little eggshell around the chick. So it's pretty basic here, and I mean, since it's gel polish, you can work with it until you're happy with how it looks. And then once that was cured, I did some little eyes and some little eyelashes, and I flash cured between everything so it would stay, well, except for the colors. I just did those all together. Then I did a little beak, and then little polka dots all over the eggshell for some decoration. So nothing too complicated for freehand. And then I'm taking BP-60, and that's why I cleansed off the tacky layer on my middle finger quickly so I could stamp this image onto it. It just says Happy Easter. It's a little egg with a bow. And then I cleaned up everything that was around my skin before applying Tammy Taylor's Flawless Finish over all of my nails. So once that top coat was cured, I removed the tacky layer, and then that's it for this nailer look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I think these are super cute and springy, and I'll leave links in the description box below if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Bye!